and last saw him in 2004 when he made sure we got a plate of Mahaprasad. A transcendental quote that so relates to Pankajanghri Prabhu would have to be, the humble sage by virtue of true knowledge sees with equal vision the learned and gentle Brahmana, a cow, an elephant, a dog, and a dog-eater. Pankajanghri Prabhu epitomised this in his daily life. You didn't have to be a GBC or a sannyasi or even in a male body to be treated with graciousness and respect. It was simply normal behaviour for Pankajanghri Prabhu to be gracious and respectful to one and all. That is why there is mourning worldwide, because every devotee who visited Mayapur was greeted with his beaming radiance that welcomed them to the holy Dham. A moment's association with a pure devotee is a rare, priceless benediction, so it is not surprising that Pankajanghri Prabhu's passing has left a big gaping hole that has traumatised devotees all over the world. When we lived in Mayapur, my daughter Shamalika was about 3.5, and we were there till she was about 5.5. She would have had infrequent interactions with Pankajanghri Prabhu during this time. But now, 30 years later, she still remembers those precious moments with great respect and fondness. If it's hard for so many of us around the world who might have had a moment's association, how must it be for the Mayapur Vasis who had more of Pankajanghri Prabhu's association, and of course especially his twin brother Jananivas Prabhu, as there were two halves of the one whole. Their pain must be unimaginable. I haven't stopped thinking about Prabhu, even though, like I said, I hardly had much to do with him. But it was just his whole attitude, his mood, in the way he dealt with devotees, and it's just been incredible. So that's why I said it must be heart-rending for anybody who actually had association with him, because for me it was just fleeting, but he had such an impact. So, all glories to Pankajanghri Prabhu.